Hi everyone, my name is Wang. I'm a PhD candidate in urban planning at State University of New York, College of Environmental Science and Forestry. Recently, I have been working on community engagement in climate change adaptation planning. To develop this lesson plan, I invited Wang to design the activity and produce related materials. She is a PhD candidate in urban planning at Virginia Tech. Her research focuses on climate resilience. Our lesson plan title is How Can Communities Be Engaged in Climate Change? Stakeholders engage in climate change adaptation planning to make decisions. It has prepared for high school students. Through this lesson plan, students will learn what community engagement for climate change adaptation is and know the five phases of community engagement. Community engagement is the process of including people of the community in decision making in order to analyze, plan, adopt, and assess solutions to challenges affecting their everyday lives and environment. There are two major parts of this lesson plan, including the introduction and an in-class activity. In the introduction, students will be introduced to key concepts related to climate change adaptation planning, including degrees of community engagement in the planning process. To help students better understand these abstract concepts, we have included a real life example and images in the lesson plan. I will use a coastal adaptation project in Louisiana as an example to explain each engagement phase. For example, in the inform phase, residents were invited to discuss what they value about their community and what they wanted their community to be like in the future during the inform phase. To accomplish this, residents participated in two group activities. The second section is a role playing game in which students can practice engaging communities in climate change adaptation planning. Students will be assigned to one of three scenarios. Scenario A, Lynn Haven, Scenario B, Oceanfront, and Scenario C, Elizabeth River. Each student will randomly select a character card and review the risks and impacts that need to be addressed for their assigned area. They will then select strategy cards based on their character card and place them on the board in order of preference to demonstrate the adaptation actions they have decided upon for their area. Finally, students will answer the questions in the summary session. In the wrap up session, three scenarios will be compared to analyze their results and identify different adaptation strategies that students can implement in their respective areas. This exercise will enable students to reflect on the various engagement phases. We also prepare 3D files for students to use a laser cutter to print the map. The 3D tool will visualize the layer of water and land. Students can use this technology to research and solve problems from an early age to better prepare them for their careers. This is all about our lesson plan. Thank you.